Hey, welcome back everyone, I'm Joe, and today I'm going to show you a quick and easy technique to get a clean cut on either plywood or really any wood for that matter. And this is going to come in handy when you're doing a project and the appearance is really going to count. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is set your blade to the proper depth. Now a little bit of the blade should be sticking out below the wood that you are cutting, maybe a fingernail's width or so. After you strike your line on the wood that you're going to cut, put masking tape over top of that cut. And then strike your line over top of that tape again so that you know exactly where you're going to cut. It's also a good idea to put masking tape on the bottom of the wood as well. Always wear a dust mask, safety glasses, hearing protection, and it's a good idea to wear gloves as well so that you don't get a splinter. Then go ahead and run your cut, and always stand to the side of your saw, never directly behind it, just in case it were to kick on you. Then, when you remove the tape, you're going to have a nice clean cut. I hope this video helps out. Please let me know if you have any questions, and please check out willingtobuild.com. And until next time, good luck and take care.